Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. Bought this one for 50p, nailsy. Only reason I bought it, if you've seen my recent videos, or over the years actually, I've got dozens of these now, but there was a discussion as to who sells them. None of them have got the manufacturer's name on them, but some of the ones that I found have got Blue Box or ELC. ELC is Early Learning Centre. I don't know who Blue Box is, but obviously it's another company that sells them. I've seen these in places like supermarkets, Sainsbury's and that sort of thing. So I think they're made by one particular manufacturer and sold by many different retailers. They're Clockwork. You need the right key. They don't usually come with the keys. This is a spare one I've got. Wind it up, let it go, and you see all the gears turning inside. You can actually wind it up by turning it backwards. So if you haven't got the key, it's not the end of the world. But that's a short and sweet, cost me 50p. I've got lots of them already, and the only reason I bought this one is it didn't say who the manufacturer was or the retailer.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.